Random idea, we make a foraged service berry matcha latte.
This year the service berries grew really well, so we picked a bowl full, washed them, and got ready to crush them. After crushing them, we collected the juice, added some sugar, gave it a good stir, and oddly enough, we weren't expecting this, but it started to gel a little bit, so you can see it looks a little chunky.
We mixed up our matcha, added some ice, and of course Rosie had to inspect. Then added our milk, poured in the matcha a little bit too fast, so we lost some of the layers, but we had a delicious foraged service berry drink.